ممكن تحكينا عن تجربتكم بالاي سي بي ام هاي السنة؟
طيب، بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف خلق الله. بداية نشكر القائمين على هذا المؤتمر اي سي بي ام في نسخته السادسة. احنا شركة سبيماكو الدوائية، أكبر شركة دوائية سعودية. احنا هذه المشاركة الثالثة لنا في المؤتمر. انحرمنا من المشاركة في النسخة السابقة بسبب كوفيد 19، لكن كنا نشارك للمرة الثالثة. هذا يدل على ثقتنا وعلى فائدة المرجوة من هذا المؤتمر، والحمد لله ما شاء الله المؤتمر من تطور إلى تطور. النسخ السابقة كان فيه محاضرات رائعة ومفيدة، كان فيه بدء لعلاقة تجارية مع بعض الشركات في نفس المجال، وهذا اللي شجعنا أن نستمر في المشاركة، وبإذن الله راح نتواجد في النسخ القادمة بإذن الله.
شكرا جزيلا لك. Tell us more about your participation in ICPM this year.
Okay, so we are from Reliance Life Sciences, which is a biotechnology-based company from India. This is the first time that we are participating in ICPM, and our experience has been extremely good. It's extremely professional in terms of the way my colleagues had worked with the team here in terms of setting up a stall. I had the opportunity to speak at the conference as well, and the kind of people around, they were extremely helpful in many ways, and it was very useful for networking and also to look at potential partnerships. And we participate in CPHI every year, and I must say the level of professionalism is extremely good.
We're very glad to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can you tell us more about your participation this year in the ICPM?
Okay, we are the first time here in ICPM exhibition. We find this information from Mr. Jana, who introduced us this exhibition, and we're just looking for the very professional exhibition for this country, actually Middle East. And we found from all information they propose us that this exhibition will be very good. And it's like this, as he said, that the organization is perfect. Every information what we needed, it was immediately in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, he just provide all the needed information. All the documents what we ask, they provide immediately. We ask about some things for the design of exhibition, and they made it, they produced in the place, so it was perfect done. So this exhibition also has very good quality of the customers. So we had only B2B business, and everybody who talk with us, they know what they are talking, and this is the most important. So they was in this business professional, and all the guys what we was talking with them, they know this business very well. So we expect perfect result, and we will participate for the next. And we invite everybody who want to be for professional exhibition for health for this and the next year.
Of course, we would be very glad to have you next year as well. Okay? Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Can you tell us more about your participation this year in ICPM?
Right, thank you very much for that question. So we were invited by Dr. Abdullah when we presented our product at Arab Health last year. And our product is to prevent diabetic foot ulcers and wounds in diabetic patients. Right.
And can you tell us what was your favorite thing about ICPM?
My personal favorite was actually seeing Dr. Abdullah in action, because he was so busy with all the high contacts and all the general managers, CEOs, and the doctors. Yeah, so that was fantastic.
And what's your opinion about the organization here in this exhibition?
Yeah, the organization was great. So as you can see, we managed to get exactly this booth that we wanted. So I was in touch with Dr. Munir for that, and he was very helpful with all the arrangements, and yeah.
Thank you so much. We wish that we'd see you next year as well. Okay?
We will definitely be here next
Thank
year.
you. ممكن تحكينا عن تجربتك هاي السنة ويا ICPM؟
هاي أول مشاركة لي في معرض الدولي للصيدلة والطب، وأنا صراحة منبهرة بالتواجد الموجود هنا في المعرض. يعني ما شاء الله المصانع وشركات التوزيع والصيدليات، وحتى الموردين اللي يوردون الأجهزة موجودين كلهم في مكان واحد، وكذلك يعني موجودين حتى الجهات
Okay. يعني أنت تحسين نفسك سعيدة ويا بهاي السنة ويا مشاركتك بالآي سي بي إم؟
الحمد لله
شاء الله.
الحمد لله ما شاء الله. يعني المعرض وايد يعني متخصص في الشيء اللي كنت ادور عليه، يعني حصلت كل شيء في مكان واحد.
شكرا جزيلا لك، إن شاء الله أشوفك السنة الجاية.
ان شاء الله.
شكرا. Can you tell us more about your participation this year in ICPM?
Okay, so Marquezini Group, this is the first time we are taking part in such a show. Usually we take part in larger packaging shows where there's machinery on board. But as you know that in the last 2 years we have had a lot of emphasis on vaccination and preventive medication, and UAE is becoming more and more of a hub. That each of the countries want to produce their own. They don't want to rely on vaccines from overseas. So there is a lot of interest by the governments from various Middle East countries to set up their own facilities. And obviously Marquezini provides complete turnkey solutions in vaccine or in solids or in any of the pharmaceutical range. And this is why we decided it's good to make our presence felt here this year.
And what's your opinion on the organization of the conference?
I think it's done very nicely. We had a guest speaker, I think, on the first day, and I think in the following years you need to promote this a little bit more. So this is our opinion, because I think there is a crowd that comes in. There are a lot of people interested, and we were overall very happy with everything.
And can you tell us what was your favorite thing about ICPM?
We met the key people. We had very key contacts that we made within the MOH, also on a wider range from the Middle East region. We met some key people who are decision makers, especially in the regulatory body in the pharmaceutical.
Thank you so much for your time. We wish to see you next year as well. Thank you. شلون كانت تجربتكم بالاي سي بي ام هاي السنة؟
صراحة مؤتمر الاي سي بي ام يعني في احكي هالسنة اكثر من رائع، يعني حتى خلال الظروف اللي صايرة والكوفيد، بس المؤتمر بعتبره كتير ناجح، والحلو فيه انه في محاضرات وفي كمان اكثر من شركة مشاركين فيها، يعني بيستعرضوا ادويتهم، اخر الانجازات تاعتهم، الادوية الجديدة اللي عندهم. هذا الشيء بيخلينا نكون على علم باخر التطورات في مجال الادوية.
شكرا جزيلا لكم وشكرا لوائل.